Okay, as you can see in all four of these examples, the number that we're dividing by has a powerful zero in it. So what do we do then? Well, let's take a look at example 1, 180 divided by 30. Let's think of this in a real life context. Imagine the question was there are 180 boys in year 7 at St. Bernard's and 30 boys in each class. How many classes would there be? Well, I can kind of work that out like this. I could go, all right, well, there's 30 boys in the first class, and then there's another 30 boys in the second class. So that's 60 boys and two classes. Class number 3 also has 30 boys, and that makes 90 boys. Class number 4 also has 30, and that's 120 boys in total. Then we have a fifth class with 30, making 150. And our sixth class, which also has 30, takes us up to 180 in total because 30, 60, 90, 120, 150, 180. So that tells me that my answer is 6. We would need 6 classes. All right. And what that kind of teaches us is that when we're dividing by that 30, we can kind of say that it cancels out the 0 in the 180 because this 30 has a 0 in it, but it kind of cancels out this 0 here. Because we're dividing, instead of adding the 0, we're going to take the 0 away, all right, to make our number smaller. So now we're left with 18 divided by 3 equals 6. All right, let's try that rule with number 2 without doing all that extra working out, all those 30s in a row. That took me ages. I can do that much quicker. So I'm looking here, 160 divided by 40. All right, I can see there is a powerful 0 in the divider, in the 40. But I know that that powerful 0, if I take it away from here, I can also take it away from here. And I am now just left with 16 divided by 4. And I know that is 4 because 4 times 4 is 16. So I've got my answer right there without all that extra working out. All right, example number 3, I can see that there's one powerful 0 in the divisor, 60. So I know, like I said before, if I cancel that out there, that allows me to cancel out one powerful 0 over here. And that leaves me with 240 divided by 6. And I know from before, when we were looking at the other video, 24 divided by 6 is 4, because 4 times 6 is 24. And because there's still a 0 left here, that tells us that our answer has to be 10 times bigger than that 4. All right, there's our final answer. And then here we go in our last one here, 30,000 divided by 500. I've got 2 powerful zeros in my divisor. So I can cancel out 2 of the zeros in the first number as well, like that. And that leaves me with 300 divided by 5. All right, this one's a little bit tricky because it does have 2 zeros there, but what I'm looking at here is I'm not going to go 3 divided by 5. That's a little bit tricky. I'm going to go 30 divided by 5 because I know 5 times 6 is 30. So I'll put my answer of 6 here, but I need to remember that there is this extra 0 here that wasn't part of our division fact that we worked out there. We worked out 30 divided by 5 is 6, but it's really 300 divided by 5. So our answer needs an extra 0 to make it 10 times bigger. Alrighty, so that is how you use powerful zeros when they are in the dividing number or the divisor. That's what we call the dividing number, the divisor.